have again started this podcast, and this podcast is happening because of you.
And keep pushing each other towards the journey of success. It's not easy. Me and my business partner, were the only ones who couldn't pass out the final exam. So it was like, हमको ही नहीं मिल रहा है. It was so demotivating. It was feeling like हम इतने गए गुजरे हैं. There were times that I had anxiety attacks and panic attacks. My wife Tanvi had to take me to hospital at midnight, 3 o'clock. ये क्या हो रहा है इसको?
अभी हो ही गया था ऑलमोस्ट. अब तो मैं डिप्रेशन में जाने ही वाली थी अगर वो दिन नहीं आती तो ऑलमोस्ट हर ऐसे एंजाइटी अटैक आते हैं. यू हैव so much of stress. Hello everyone, I am Prabjot, founder of Media Shark. Welcome to the new episode of Media Shark's podcast. Today we have Ruturaj Kuhuk as our guest, who's the founder of Nethority. Nethority is a digital solution company that helps businesses grow online. So he is going to help us understand that how we can grow a small agency to a big agency. So please stay tuned for the entire podcast as it is going to be very interesting. Hi Ruturaj, how are you?
Good, Prabjot. Thank you for having me here.
Thank you so much for coming to Media Shark's podcast. You are the first man who has officially came offline for the podcast.
Thank you. It's my privilege, and that's why I think I'm in more pressure.
No, not at all. So, Ruturaj, today we'll be talking about your entrepreneurial journey. Okay, that how you started Nethority. Then we'll talk more about leadership. We'll talk about how spiritually, because every entrepreneur is spiritual, somehow or the other way. So how spirituality has helped you grow. And then we'll talk about your friends, your family, all that. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. So tell me something about yourself. Before we start about Nethority, your company, all of that, first we would like to know more about Ruturaj. So please tell something about you.
It's a tough question, Prabjot, to answer, but I would say I'm a good person. I care about people, my people. I think that's why I connect more with people around me. And I think this would sum it up for me. I'm a caring person.
Okay. So on this, I would also like to add that you say that only people around you, but I had a different perspective about you initially. Okay, and when just you gave me a call that come, and out of nowhere you just called me to your office and we spoke, and it just changed everything. So thank you so much that we have again started this podcast, and this podcast is happening because of you. So really thank you
Nothing
so
like
much.
that, but I think it's our responsibility as entrepreneurs, co-entrepreneurs, friends, to identify and keep pushing each other towards the journey of success. It's not easy. You should always have. So I would suggest that even if you find someone into your circle as a business person going through harsher times, be there. Just listen and see if you can do anything to pump them up and chalo.
Right. So ये पॉडकास्ट का भी हम लोगों ने जब शुरू किया था तो हमने पॉडकास्ट शुरू भी इसीलिए किया था कि हम जैसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो स्टार्टअप शुरू तो कर रहे थे पर काफी टाइम उन्हें कोई मेंटर्स नहीं होते तो राइट. काफी ऐसे चैलेंजेस आते हैं जिन्हें पता ही नहीं कि करना क्या है, कैसे ये चैलेंजेस रिजॉल्व होंगे. काफी टाइम हम गिव अप कर देते हैं. मैंने भी एक टाइम था जब गिव अप ऑलमोस्ट ही आई वाज ऑन द वर्ज ऑफ गिव अप. अगर शायद उस दिन मैं आपके ऑफिस नहीं आती, अगर वो हमारा इंटरेक्शन नहीं होता तो आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई वुड हैव बीन. मे बी आज भी मैं वही सोच रही होती, उसी फेज में बैठी होती. बट थैंक यू, रियली थैंक यू दिल से. एनीबडी टॉक्स टू मी and I always say this कि today I'm doing everything again is because of Ruturaj, because at one I spoke for 3 hours at stretch, and those 3 hours just changed everything, and I don't know how, why, but it actually changed.
I'm proud of you. I can see that energy back. So good for you also, good for people around you, good for your team, good for your family.
So Ruturaj, when you started Nethority, okay, obviously you don't come from the background of an entrepreneur, right? So how did you start this, and why did you start? Why did you even think of being an entrepreneur? Why not just working somewhere?
Yeah, so initially, it was an accident. I had my post-graduation days in Pune. I was about to complete it. Funnily, me and my partner, business partner, were the only ones who couldn't pass out the final exam. They were, we wanted to drop out or give a final attempt to the exam. We were the only one who didn't get selected into the campus interviews.
Oh, really?
Trust me, it was so demotivating that दिख रहा था बुद्धू से बुद्धू लोग
Pass it.
अच्छे कैंपस में जा रहे थे ना. I was in हिंजेवाड़ी, IT Park, Infosys, TCS, सब they were just formed there in 2004. So it was like हमको ही नहीं मिल रहा है. It was so demotivating. It was feeling like हम इतने गए गुजरे हैं. But उस वक्त का ये भी हमारा लाइफस्टाइल भी वैसे था ना. गेम खेलो, काउंटर स्ट्राइक खेलो. आई वाज स्टेइंग इन हॉस्टल. वी हैड 400 पीपल स्टेइंग इन हॉस्टल. रात भर खेलो, सुबह लेक्चर जाओ नहीं. बट उसके बाद जो हुआ, यू नो, आफ्टर आई कंप्लीटेड दैट पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन, लाइक एनी डैड, माय डैड वाज लाइक, यू नो, यू लेट्स गो आउट, सी द वर्ल्ड. मेरा यूएस जाना था. US visa applications. I had a job offer from US. H1B reject हो गया. Now in this period, what happened? घर पे बैठा हुआ था, कुछ कर नहीं रहा था. Because of my IT background, some projects came. करेगा क्या software? And the same thing was happening with my partner in Pune. And I asked him, करेगा करते अच्छा, best friend. He was my college friend. And we started with a project that time, in the period of waiting for that visa, job visa. But what happened, वो करते करते I got so involved into that entire process of servicing and project, and then it started as a business. And that is how it started.
They started as freelancer.
It was like two people working on a project. It's company वाले कुछ पता नहीं था क्या है क्या नहीं. इनवॉइस कैसे भेजना है वो भी पता नहीं
So
था.
आज भी your partner is there with you.
Yes, yes, yes.
So जैसे लोग बोलते हैं कि ना बिजनेस में having a partner, business partner is very challenging. मतलब वो coordination बिठाना, वो सब कुछ, मतलब I can just when everybody say you should also have a co-founder, you said me have a co-founder. I say यार somebody who can match my thinking, somebody who can take me as a co-founder. It is also difficult because not everybody accept you. Everybody come with their opinion. सबको अपना opinion रखना होता है. मेरे को उसका अच्छा लगे नहीं लगे. I would not want somebody interfering in my decisions. तो वो कैसे? How does work with you? How is it with
So
you?
yeah, I didn't plan to choose my co-founder that way. That time it was दोस्ती है, चल करते हैं. He had some skill sets which I didn't that time also. I had some things that he didn't. So that's why we came together for that project. He had handled the client facing and you handled the back end, you know. He's kind of a person उसके जैसा coder मैंने अभी तक नहीं देखा. रात भर बैठ के we used to build applications ऐसे ही हवा में कि क्या बन गया है. So I didn't plan it that way, but in this journey I realized that business partnership is exactly same as your marriage. जो husband wife होता है वैसे ही business partner का होता है. And I think that will answer a lot of questions in people's minds कि ये कैसा होता है relation.
Right.
There has to be a balance. You have to overcome each other's negatives and support each other's positives.
कभी ऐसे नहीं होता कि यार मैं ज्यादा कर रहा हूँ तो कम कर रहा है.
हमेशा होता है, अभी भी होता है इतने सालों के बाद.
Really?
But evolve होना पड़ता है वो thought process में. हर इंडिविजुअल का ड्राइव इज डिफरेंट. You know, you want to become something, I want to become something, someone else wants to become something else.
Yeah.
To map those drives.
And have people try to break you up, like you both?
Not really. We have had a very strong bond that way. Trust me. हमारे जितना fights life में किसने नहीं किया रहेगा as a partner since day one till now. But somewhere there is a unsaid understanding, trust, loyalty in that friendship that we have.
Okay.
जिसमें कोई भी कुछ भी किया है या करेगा या कर रहा था, it didn't actually matter to us, and it was all about sitting and discussing क्या गड़बड़ है, क्या प्रॉब्लम है, बाहर का प्रॉब्लम है, अंदर का प्रॉब्लम है, and over a drink you can just get it out, and done, sorted. But it happens still now.
So your journey from 2 people to now 150 plus people, right? How was it? How did you grow? What were the challenges that you faced? और आपके पास कोई मेंटर था? Because जैसे मैं इंडिविजुअल, ठीक है, हमारे पास अभी हम बहुत छोटे हैं, कभी 2 एम्प्लॉय रहते हैं, कभी 4 रहते हैं, कभी 6 रहते हैं, कभी 15 हो जाते हैं, फिर से हम डाउन पे आ जाते हैं. तो ये अप्स एंड डाउन जैसे आते हैं, कभी कभी नहीं समझ में आता है व्हाट टू डू. सो हैव यू फेस्ड दिस एंड हाउ डिड यू ओवरकम दिस?
I think every small business or a startup goes through this kind of a journey. Even we still are a startup, even after 10 years of this journey. But in my journey, I would say, yeah, of course, it's still ups and downs. It's still sometimes you feel like kali band ho jayenge. You know, that fear is always there. The journey started as a कैसे start किया हमने, but उसमें you know that has been always the motivating factor to keep me inspired. You know, कुछ तो बड़ा करना है. उनका बहुत अच्छा एक कोट था मुझे जो अभी तक मैं लेके चलता हूँ. मेरे फ्रेंड्स को भी बोलता है, मेरे किड्स को भी बोलता हूँ मैं अभी भी. At certain college days, I used to go to him. मैं उस वक्त मैं गेम खेलने जाता था साइबर कैफे.
अच्छा.
एंड मैं साइबर कैफे में सेंटर चालू करूँगा. And that time used to feel ना कितना पैसा, कितने लोग पैसा दे रहे थे. I realize like now what he might have gone through when I put up that idea into my college days. But he didn't explain a lot to me. That time he said, Ruturaj, low aim is a crime. बड़ा सोच कभी भी सोचेगा तो अब भी पढ़ रहा है पढ़ाई कर. This is still there with me, and I think the growth inspiration that I have at whatever level I reach, वहाँ से ऊपर का ही बड़ा ही सोचना है. That quote always gets me to there. And that were some of his teachings. You know, छोटी-छोटी चीजें. But 2009, what happened when everything was going jolly, college pass out, छोटी company start भी करती, he was there. And not that I come from a good background, good influence, good local connects. My family was also well known, still well known. But in 2009, accidentally, nothing there, but he suffered a stroke. And within an hour he passed away. And I think it took me that year to realize that reality is very different than fantasy world जो अपन जी रहे थे. Everything is there, सब कुछ आजू बाजू में है. And I'm a second child.
Okay.
I have a sister, younger, and I have an elder brother.
Right.
So I was always under this cocoon, protected by brother, छोटी बहन भी है, parents है, friends है. But that time is actually, you know, everything came on the ground. It's not that easy. But he was the motivation there. I didn't take it ulta, yeah, but fortunately, I took it as a good thing that now I have to prove him that I am not just, you know, anything. I'm going to make his name good. I'm going to achieve his dreams, what he had for me. I'm going to make him proud. That was the way it started. The inspiration. अभी नहीं झुक सकते. और मुंडी नीचे डाल के फिर बस काम करना है. Reality देखी मैंने. You know, the people who were just good on your face when Dad was there. कौन दूर जाता है, कौन अपने है. Some family people went away, some court cases और ये सब जो झमेला चालू हो जाता है ना family में. It's so important that your dad has to be there with you for much longer time.
My dad always say this कि जब मैं जाऊँगा ना तब तुमको पता चलेगा कि क्या है. हम लोग ऐसे ले लेते हैं मतलब.
Never take them for granted. वो है तो दुनिया अलग है. That time my brother told me, I was very stressed. Even he was. कुछ पता नहीं ना क्या करना है आगे. At that age, I was what 25, 24, just starting out in the real world. So he said, ऐसे समझ storm आया है और अपने सर पे छाता नहीं बचा है. निकाल लेंगे, storm चला जाएगा, and then you know just उतना चलो. So that thought also struck me. हाँ ऐसे चल रहा है, बारिश चल रही है, निकलना है इसमें से, जीना है. So that was my first start. If you talk about challenges, it started with the deadliest challenge anyone can think about. Again, partner है, अच्छा partner था.
He was supportive then.
Now, as you said, early days में no mentors. क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम क्या था, we know it all attitude. पता है सब कुछ. मुझे नहीं चाहिए कोई. वो एटीट्यूड से हम खुद के कुछ सीख रहे हैं, चल रहे हैं. My brother is in UK and helped me a lot. Always still my mentor. One of the reasons that we have a UK setup because he settled in UK. He connected me with very good people there to start my. One of our first clients was Deutsche Bank. It was a money में 2011 में. So he was always there behind me. And then, like ये journey चल रही है, ups and downs. Client आ रहा है, जा रहा है. Anytime you feel it can shut off.
Yes.
People problem.
Yes, that is a big problem. Everybody have.
It's not actually, but in the journey, no money, getting clients, keeping people, getting people in a small company, managing them, understanding them. No understanding of business because we come from a tech post-graduation, not an MBA.
Right.
So ये सब challenges still somehow we could survive and come up to a certain level. By 2015-16 we were at a good position, 20-25 people deep. But again कुछ ना कुछ चलता ही रहता था. एक client चला जाए you are in a problem. एक अच्छा senior person चला जाए you are in a problem. Partner से झगड़ा हो जाए you are in a problem. Misunderstanding हो जाए. Family problems अलग. And I just got married in 2010. I got a daughter in 2013. Family से अलग challenges.
Yeah.
So it's. I think everyone goes through this. But it's not that मेरा journey special है. It's not easy, but running your business जो बाहर से लोगों को लगता है तू क्या business करता है, तेरे को क्या problem है. I mean, very few people know this, Prabhjot, but 2016 के around, there were times that I had anxiety attacks and panic attacks. My wife Tanvi had to take me to hospital at midnight, 3 o'clock. ये क्या हो रहा है इसको? But the anxiety was so much that time. Fear इतना था, future का, current situation था. I think that side of the journey, everyone should know who wants to get into this business or entrepreneurship or startup, and someone has to tell that story properly.
Right.
And also guide them, how you can overcome that.
Right.
And I think that's one of my current plans, to help startups or smaller agencies to overcome these challenges in a very efficient way or an easy way, as a mentor, as a friend, not as a business.
Right.
And that was one of the reasons even I called you.
Yeah.
I know how that journey is.
When now you're talking about anxiety attack, I think I was very much into it. अभी हो ही गया था almost. अब तो मैं डिप्रेशन में जाने ही वाली थी अगर बहुत दिन नहीं आती. तो almost हाँ ऐसे anxiety attack आते हैं. You have so much of stress, एक तो यहाँ से clients हैं जो आपके पीछे पड़े हैं, यहाँ employees हैं जिनके अलग कुछ तो भी चल रहा है. And then you at times ऐसा होता है कि you can't trust anybody. I was at a verge that I like, what just happened? Everything was so good. सब कुछ इतना बढ़िया चल रहा था और all of a sudden क्या हो गया? So I started getting that. So I'm very vocal about it. You would have seen my stories and also I'm very efficient. मैं डाल देती कि हाँ भाई, there was a time when I was going through depression because of business or whatever thing. लोगों को लगता है personal, तो personal कभी मेरे को I don't take personal things so much, but when it comes to work, because यही जो है अब. There were people जो बोलते हैं कि अरे तो जॉब, मैं घर वाले भी बोलते हैं जॉब कर, अगर इतना ही प्रेशर है so you go and work, you'll get good salary, you'll go, but ऐसा तो नहीं. अब नहीं. Now there is no turning back. करना है तो अब यही करके आगे जाना है.
That's the key of a real entrepreneur.
Yeah.
Job is never an option for that person.
Yeah.
Tomorrow if my business डूब गया, job will never be an option in my head. I will be thinking about अभी दूसरा business कौन सा करना है. So good you have that first real thing within you कि job तो
तो वही मैं पूछ रही थी, ऐसे लोग थे आपके आसपास जिन्होंने आपको ये भी, जब आपके लाइफ में चैलेंजेस आए कि अरे छोड़ना नहीं हो रहा है तो डू समथिंग एल्स एंड व्हाट डिड, बिकॉज़ ये बहुत लोगों का है।
I have a very small circle, very small circle of family, friends, and we are very different with each other. So they know me very inside out. कि ये उसको ऑप्शन बोल भी नहीं सकते जाना जॉब का. It's just not possible. He's not that person at all. So वैसे तो नहीं हुआ, but in anxiety or bad times or when you are very low, upset about things, the why you started at first, क्यों चालू किया है,
Yeah.
why business, why you have to grow, that answer has to be there. And when you are down, you have to remind yourself. As I said, for me, for many years, it was always about making my dad proud.
Yeah.
So, थोड़ा नीचे चले जाओ, 2-4 दिन सो जाओ, घर पे डिप्रेशन में जाओ, बाहर निकलना क्यों करना है, भाई अपने को ये करना. That reason will keep you running around.
Right.
If you forget that, write it somewhere. And if that is achieved, move on to the next bigger purpose.
Right. So जैसे कि हम बोलते हैं entrepreneurial journey is not easy. Ups downs आते रहते हैं, उसके बीच में आती है हमारी पर्सनल लाइफ, your family, your everything, and we being entrepreneur have to be 24/7 available for the business.
Yes.
It is not a 9 to 5 job कि हमने भी किया और खत्म हो गई कहानी. हम और भी करते, तो how do you balance your personal life with your professional life?
I think fortunately even that has been a bit easier for me. I have one of the biggest reason of my success till now is because of my wife. She has been the most supportive person I could have imagined as my life partner. And that's why this energy or vibe, your most important person is with you. So balance for me, I haven't faced that problem कि तू किधर जा रहा है ऑफिस. I have always been a very easy को चलो अभी घूमने जाना है, घूमने जाएंगे, घर पे जाना है, 2 दिन छुट्टी लेंगे. I haven't pressurized myself that much yet कि वो balance करना पड़ रहा है. It's always kept that way.
So you said that you got married very early. What was your age when you got married?
I was 27.
So did it help? Like जल्दी responsibility आई तो जल्दी काम किया.
ऑप्शन ही नहीं ना, करना ही पड़ेगा. You have no time or energy to spare.
So do you want to convey this to people कि अगर grow करना है तो जल्दी शादी कर लो?
Everyone has their own situations. अगर वो बिगड़ जाए तो मेरे को पकड़ेंगे. भाई तूने बोला था शादी कर, अभी तो मर गया मैं. और
No, but I think it brings a lot of responsibility and then there is a push. और उसके बाद जब बच्चे होते हैं, it is a different push. So how was your experience? How is your experience as a father? How did life change?
because responsibility is within you. You have to be a responsible person. You don't need to marry or have new friends or have kids or be a good son or daughter to be a responsible. It has to be from within. And wherever you are, it comes out. So no one can become responsible just by marrying or having kids. If you are a responsible person, then only marry. If you are a responsible person, then only have kids. Till then, please don't do it. So yeah, coming back to the question of how did my life change after becoming a father. I think that was again one of the most drastic change into the life situation where I got my daughter. First I have a daughter in 2013, and actually having a daughter I think changed the entire concept of relations, love, affection, fear, everything, all emotions came to me at once as a father. You know, ऐसे बच्चों की लाइफ चल रही है, शादी हो गई, बिजनेस हो गया, एकदम से डॉटर भी हो गई. But yeah, subconsciously it added such level of fear, responsibility and realization that अभी बच्चे नहीं हो, अभी बच्चे आ गए. Now it's more serious game.
Yeah.
And yeah, that again was one of the more important pointers to become more serious into work and business.
Yes.
And when these things happen, you become more serious about working.
Yes.
Easy छोड़ते नहीं हो.
Because कुछ भी हो जाए बच्चों को तो हम एक लेवल डाउन चीजें दे ही नहीं सकते हैं. उनको आदत हो गई भी ऑलवेज वांट कि हम बच्चों को इससे ज्यादा ही दें. I think this has also changed.
जो अपने को मिला है उससे ज्यादा देना है,
Yeah.
सिखाना है, not just financially but all aspects, right? You are their heroes.
Yeah.
You have to stay that way.
Correct. So I think, from my point of view, also being a single mother, I do so much because of the fear that my child should never feel that अगर डैड होते तो ये होता और ये नहीं होता. तो I work more. वो मेरे पे responsibility अगर it is such a selfless love.
Yes, and बहुत selfless होता है.
And मैं अपने पेरेंट्स को बहुत ग्रांट लेती हूँ कभी कभी, बट अपने डॉटर को कभी नहीं ले सकती. अगर उसने बोल दिया कि ये चाहिए ऐसा होगा तो वैसा ही होगा. डॉटर्स अलग ही रहती है. हाउ इज योर रिलेशन विद योर डॉटर?
Very, 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 very close. I can't imagine that kind of love for anyone that I have, and she has for me. मुझे कभी कोई कुछ बोलना है घर पे तो भी she is the first one. डैड को ऐसे नहीं बोलने. So she is like my protector, her affection to me, the love for me. So we have been through all these journeys of relations.
Yes.
Mother love अलग होता है, wife अलग होता है, पर वो कर रहे हैं हम पे.
हाँ.
यहाँ पे जो डॉटर का और डैड का कनेक्शन जो होता है, I think that's the only real love I have experienced.
Yeah.
Parents is not in our choice.
Yes.
Wife is, we have a different
Equation.
understanding of love
Yeah.
when it happens. Because I had a love marriage, so I don't know what kind of love it is. And this, it just comes into you without thinking about it.
Right.
So, I can't imagine my life without my daughter.
And how's your relation with this? You have a son also.
Yeah, I have a son.
He's younger.
Yes.
So how old is he?
He's 6 now, 7.
And how's your relation with your son?
Oh, it's very different. I do love him, but after I have seen this mad, crazy, harsh world and what I have been through from cocoon to thrown out into the real world, I am not giving him that easy love or easy what I do with my daughter. I'm trying to
Basically,
keep it
father
more
daughter का अलग ही
structured.
bond होता है.
बहुत अलग है. उसको ऐसे है कुछ easy दे रहा हूँ डॉटर को इसको नहीं, but with him I'm not trying to show him that world is very fairy like a fairy tale. I'm trying to show him the reality of the world.
Right.
कि एकदम से शॉक में नहीं चला जाए.
नहीं वो होता ही I think. But for girls also now it is very important.
Yes, very.
Because girls also come so क्या बोलते हैं pampered and वो लोग को life पता ही नहीं होती. Now life has changed for everybody.
Yeah.
So I think for girls also it is very important to understand कि life is not what
Very
you think
important.
it is.
And I think I'm doing the same with my daughter. I'm giving her a good show, but as well making her realize that it's not easy.
Yeah, I just saw your vacations photos and all of that. So you also balance this your work and you give time to your family, take them out and all. So I really love to watch your photographs with your kids. They dance so well, so you motivate them in all the ways you can, and you're always there. Being कितना भी busy, I see that you're always there with them. I think that is very important. नहीं तो आजकल लोग ना इतना काम में फंसे रहते कि उन्हें पता ही नहीं तो ये बच्चे कब बड़े हो गए, कब क्या हो गया. I think हमारी generation वाले जो लोग हैं, they are understanding it. It is not only you, me or somebody, but almost everybody is there.
और जरूरी है वो समझना. Many people don't know why they are doing business or earning money or saving it. I think me or my generation or my friends or अपने जो लोग हैं, बहुत लोग because they're traveling outside, European, UK lifestyle देख रहे हैं.
Yes.
You should know why you are earning, and if you are not balancing this, family time, friends time, vacations, trying out new things, buying stuff for you, rewarding yourself, and as well as saving and investing, isn't it? Bulldogs of people. I don't see a point. In fact, doing this should have this purpose मुझे अगले साल यहाँ छुट्टी जाना है और अच्छे से काम करो, बोनसेस लेके आओ, स्केल करो नंबर्स. And that's why for me it's very important. A holiday with my friends, only boys, it's very important for me. Holiday with my family, like my wife and kids, then with my brother and sister and mom. You know, ये सारे balancing is very important for me.
Right.
And then buying stuff for me and my cars and clothes and brands. It's not to show anyone anything. It feels really good if you have achieved something and rewarded yourself for that.
Right.
तो सबने वो करना चाहिए. कमाओ, ग्रो करो और रिवॉर्ड करो सब चीजों से.
Good out.
Feels really good.
नाइस. सो हम ना अभी बात करेंगे कि हमारी एजेंसी को कैसे ग्रो करना है, क्योंकि बहुत लोगों को ये क्वेश्चन होगा. आपने किया इसलिए मैं आपसे पूछूं, और ये शायद मेरा सेल्फिश क्वेश्चन भी रहेगा, बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो वांट टू बिकम आफ्टर 10 years आई ऑल्सो वांट कि मेरे पास भी ऐसे 200-300 लोग को काम करने के लिए. सो एक छोटी एजेंसी या एक छोटा स्टार्टअप ऐसे कौन से स्टेप्स ले कि वो ग्रो करे. आई वुड नॉट से ओवरनाइट,
Okay.
बट इवेंचुअली इन 4 months 6 months. ऐसी कौन सी मिस्टेक्स है जो उनको अवॉइड करनी चाहिए?